So welcome to the next episode of What Can You Do in Sibelius in 60 Seconds. The plan today is we're going to take this fairly straightforward piano part and turn it into a string quartet. So let's get started. I'm going to start the timer in 3, 2, 1, go. So first thing I want to do is I'm going to go into panorama mode. So I'm going to go from there and I'm going to add my string quartets. So type I for instruments. I'm going to have violin 1, violin 2, viola and cello. Like so, and that's how I'm added. I'm now going to triple click to select all of that, shift click to extend it, and I'm going to copy that. I'm going to select these parts here, and I'm going to go to note input. I'm going to arrange. I'm not going to use explode. I'm going to go to arrange using arrange style, choose arrange style, and from there I'm going to choose explode. It's right at the top of the list, and I'll just take everything that's been copied and spit it onto my 4 string parts. Of course I can now play that. And if I really wanted, I can now go and change the piano part into a harpsichord part. Brilliant.